Numbers reveal what works. Without analytics, you're guessing. And guessing wastes the AI advantage you have. The whole point of producing 5x more content than human creators is to test fast and double down on what wins. This lesson shows you what to measure and how to act on it. The 5 metrics that matter. Most platform analytics show you 50 metrics. You only need to track 5: watch time, retention, percent of viewers who finish the video, engagement rate, likes plus comments plus shares, views click-through rate, percent of viewers who click your link, conversion rate, percent of clickers who become subscribers or buyers, audience growth rate, net new followers per week. What each metric tells you: watch time, retention, diagnoses your hook and pacing. If retention drops below 30% in the first 3 seconds, your hook is failing. If it drops mid-video, your pacing is off, or the script isn't delivering on the hook's promise. Engagement rate, diagnoses emotional resonance. High views plus low engagement means people are watching but not feeling anything. The algorithm rewards engagement. Boring views won't sustain growth. Click-through rate diagnoses your CTA. If your videos perform well but nobody clicks, your call to action is weak. Test verbal CTAs, on-screen text overlays, pinned comments. Conversion rate diagnoses your funnel. If clicks are healthy but conversions are low, the bridge page or offer isn't working. The video brought them, the page lost them. Audience growth rate, the lagging indicator. If the previous 4 metrics are healthy, growth follows. If growth is flat despite good engagement, you're probably reaching the same followers repeatedly, meaning the algorithm isn't surfacing you to new audiences. Key point: these 5 metrics work together. A video can have great retention but low CTR, meaning it entertains but doesn't convert. A video can have low retention but high engagement on the part that's seen, meaning the hook works but the body needs trimming. Read them as a system, not in isolation. The weekly performance review. Block 30 minutes every Monday to do this. Pull last week's video performance from each platform. Identify your top 2 videos by retention. What was the hook pattern? Topic? Format? Identify your bottom 2 videos by retention. What failed? Note any video that beat your account average by 3x or more. These are signals. Adjust the next week's content calendar to lean into what's working. The 3x outlier rule. When a video gets 3x your average views, do these 3 things immediately. Make 5 variations. Same hook structure, different topics. Pin it. Make it the first video new visitors see. Boost it. If you run paid traffic, this is the one to amplify. Example: a finance avatar's video on 3 things rich people do every Sunday goes 5x normal. The next week's plan: 3 things rich people do every Monday, 3 habits broke people repeat, 3 wealth signals you've never noticed. All 5 variations get filmed in one batch. 3 of them outperform the original. Conversion tracking. For affiliate or product sales, you need to trace revenue back to specific videos. UTM parameters on every link in every video. Unique short links per video or per platform. Bridge pages with separate Google Analytics tracking. This is the only way to answer. Which of my 90 videos this month produced the actual revenue? Without it, you keep posting evenly across topics that don't actually convert. A/B testing for AI influencers. This is where AI gives you an edge. You can produce 5 versions of the same video in an hour. Test 1. Same script, 5 different hooks. Test 2. Same hook, 5 different opening visuals. Test 3. Same video, 5 different captions. Titles. Test 4. Same content, 5 different CTAs. Run each test for 2 weeks. Whichever variant wins becomes the new template. The diagnostic workflow. When something isn't working, walk down the funnel in order. Are videos getting impressions? No. Posting consistency or platform issue. Are impressions converting to views? No. Thumbnails. Titles. First frame. Are views being retained? No. Hooks. Pacing. Script quality. Are retained viewers clicking? No. CTAs. Link visibility. Are clicks converting? No. bridge page, offer, pricing. Find the first broken step. Fix that one. Don't try to fix all 5 at once. You'll never know what worked. Exercise. Build your dashboard. Create a single spreadsheet that pulls these numbers weekly. Total views per platform, average retention engagement rate, total clicks to bridge, page new email subscribers, revenue, affiliate plus product, followers gained, lost. Track these for 12 weeks minimum. Patterns reveal themselves around week 6 to 8, and they're almost always counterintuitive. The video you thought was your best usually isn't.